Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy A04s. Yeah, for that we will need the buttons for. So we will need the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot after you have the chance to edit the screenshot or to share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now on the editing symbol here, you're able now to draw something here inside or highlight something as you want. And here the corners was also very nice. You can crop a part of the screenshot. Very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website or someone's WhatsApp status and so on. Very nice. And after you can share here this edited part, or with the arrow you can send it directly to your gallery. Yeah, and apropos gallery, where are your screenshots? Of course at the gallery. And here the pictures, they are mixed up with the photos and videos of your camera. So I would recommend to you always to go to the albums. And here you will have an own folder just for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.